If it's been a while since your playgrounds have been looked after, the team at Softfallguys can assist. Along with supply and installation of new playgrounds, we can also maintain, repair and care for older ones to help you get the most from your investment. Learn more and get started by speaking with our team today.
Found a quote elsewhere? We'll beat it. With Softfallguys price match guarantee, getting your Softfall rubber and synthetic turf surfaces installed has never been easier. We can surface your playground, aged care facility, schools, and even around your pool. Softfallguys price match guarantee means savings. Want to get in touch with us and save big? Or simply go to our website, softfallguys.com. Softfallguys, everything rubber.